All right, guys, here we are in Northeast Philly. We are done today.
I'll do one more, thank you.
And we got the Tayanator, we got the Jayanator, we got Big Bill, we got Glenn the Fry, and the two young ones went home already.
From the Eagles?
Two young kids.
Yes, Glenn Fry from the Eagles. Yeah. So we are done. It was a long day, but we got it done. So we have an 8x8 red cedar tiki bar with a cedar bar top and a 12x12 roof, and 7 of us lifted that thing. Tay's feet were dangling, but we still got it up.
I wish I should have videoed you guys trying to get it out there.
What do you think, Tay? Who did this? Tiki Kev. So the normal ceiling fan that I put in that you guys see all the time, I cannot get. So we upgraded the ceiling fan to palm leaves. Looks pretty good. It's a 52-inch ceiling fan. We got electric in the roof for TV. We got LED rope lighting, which I think there's like 12 or 15 different colors. We have a dry well right there. And we have a switch which turns everything on in the ceiling. Yes, sir. And the mini fridge. Can't forget about the mini fridge. We got cabinets and the ice bin. So that's today's job. This is the one we had apart in many pieces. We put it all together today, got the roof built, got the roof up there, and you guys could see by how massive these poles are. This roof is well over 1,000 pounds without the palms on it. But we muscled it up there. We should have made video, but I just wanted to get the work done. So it is, what's today? Wednesday. We are done. We were thinking we might have to come back tomorrow, but nope. Nope, we are done. So I think everybody's going to enjoy a beer. Tay, you have a beer? Bill, you having a beer? No? Glenn, I have one. Jay, you having a beer?
No, I'm driving that rig.
Oh.
You guys are gonna get a picture of it.
Yes, we will. Our tiki bar together.
Woo!
I want this
My
on
gosh.
your website, brother.
All right, it will be up there. The video is going to be on Facebook when I get back.
Oh, I
That's
have no,
director of marketing's job.
Yes.
I have no social media.
Yeah, either one.
None?
Zero.
That's talking to by his daughter.
Well, why don't you guys get over here and I get a quick picture?
All right, well, I'm going to end the video right there. And once again, Jay, Tay, Bill, and Glenn. Guys, couldn't have done it without you. And the boys took off already, so we're out of here. All right, so from Northeast Philly and the Tiki Kev crew, Tiki Kev out.